Young Pimp C, I'm fucking with Primo. It's going down, baby.
My mic is loud and my production is tight.
We run shit. I ain't playing with.
And everybody's just walking around, head in the clouds, who wanna wake up to a dead in the grave. By then it's too late, we need to be ready to raise up. Welcome to the end of days.
Everybody is slaves, only some are aware that the government releasing poison in the air. That's the reason I collect so many guns in my lair. I ain't never caught slipping, never underprepared. Yeah, they shade sign on me, they just spray it proudly. George Bush, the grandson of Alistair Crowley. They want you to believe the lie that the enemy Saudi. The enemy ain't Saudi, the enemy around me. That's not all that I'm here to present you. I know about the Black Pope and Solomon's Temple. Yeah, about the Vatican assassins and how they will get you, and how they clone Barack Hussein Obama in a test tube.
It's like we all know what's going down, but no one's saying shit what happened to the home of the brave. These motherfuckers, they controlling us now, and no one's talking about how they made us fight and be slaves. And everybody's just walking around, head in the clouds, who wanna wake up to a dead in the grave. By then it's too late, we need to be ready to raise up. Welcome to the end of days.
Hey, it seems like every day I got a filled up phone. Ladies trying to text me saying that they home for the summer and they heard that I'm living on my own. So they wanna come to the crib, maybe cook me some supper, but I'm busy, so I'm ignoring her. Yeah, I just touched down in California. Now I'm headed to the beach, going swim in the water like I'm trying to sneak in across the border. I glow, only the MOST dope with me. Other fools homo, Roy and sick free. No disrespect though, I got addictive cigarette flow for the green pesto, presto. Aha! This is what I was talking about when I said kids was gonna be some life-changing shit. Bitches. But shout out Pittsburgh, man. Most dope. Big Germ making me sound crispy and shit. Hey, yeah, I'm highly underestimated, so educated and getting paid quick. If you ever hated, anticipate that I'm famous. Got a bunch of bitches to sip on the champagne with. Celebrate it, we see in another day. Life good, never wanna end this. Me and Mary Jane got a really nice friendship. Yeah, they give me money, but I gotta go and spend it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Macadelic. You motherfucker. I got codeine in my cup. You can bet your ass I'm sipping. Groupies fall in love. I'm like, bitch, you must be tripping. I'm just tryna fuck, and she just need tuition. Why you tryna stunt? You need to play your own position. Never gave a fuck, and nothing about me changed. Still roll up them blunts. Got diamonds in my chain. Yeah, you heard me. I got diamonds in my chain, and it don't make a difference if you crying in the rain. 200 shows, I'ma kill more. I just sold out that Fillmore. Got $1 million, make $1 million more. The #1 spot on the billboard. Yeah, people lie, numbers won't keep me high. Drugs is close, growing up, cold cup. Watch the world go up in smoke. I